First, let's make sure we import React because we will need it to work with components. Next, create a new class-based component. We name our class list, and it extends React component. Within our list component, we define the render method which is responsible for describing what the UI will look like. Inside the render method, we destructure items and render item from this props. Items is our list of data, and render item is a function passed down that tells how to render each item. We return an unordered list element. This will serve as the container for our list items. We use the JavaScript map function to iterate over our items array. In the map callback, we return a list item for each element. We pass each item to the render item prop function, allowing the parent to control how it's rendered. The key attribute is important for helping React identify which items have changed. Once we map through all items, our list is complete. And with that, our list component class is complete. Now let's see how we can use this list component. Define a functional component called app. This will be the parent component. In the app component, we have an array of fruits that we want to list. The app component will return our custom list component. We include our list component in the JSX. We pass the fruits array as the item's prop. Additionally, we define what the render item function looks like. Here, it wraps each fruit in strong tags, making them bold. This showcases the power of render props in action, as the parent component now has complete control over how each item is rendered. There we have it. The list component is used within the app component with custom rendering for each item. Finally, we export the app component as the default export of our file.